What is up, guys? Today we are making red lobster biscuits with the shrimp gravy, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by making the biscuits. So preheat the oven to 450, and we're going to add in our flour, our butter, our baking powder, and then some salt. And you're just going to put it in a food processor, and we're just going to pulse that together. After all of that is mixed together, we're going to add in our cheddar cheese, our buttermilk, and our bacon pieces, and then we're just going to blend that all together until it forms a dough. So they'll look like this, and they're super easy to form into a biscuit, but we're going to put them on our baking sheet, and then we're just going to bake them for 15 minutes. Now we're going to prep our shrimp. So we're going to add our olive oil, our seafood seasoning, and some pepper, and we're just going to cook it on both sides on medium-high heat until they're pink. So not cooked all the way through, but cooked just about. And then we're going to take those off and put them to the side and then cook our mushrooms. So we're going to cook our mushrooms until they're browned like this with some olive oil. And then now we're going to make our gravy. So take our butter and our flour, and you're going to mix it together until you get it all combined on medium heat. And then after that, we're going to slowly add in our coconut milk and just mix it all together. And then I added a little bit more buttermilk just to get it a little thicker. We're going to season our gravy with pepper, some seafood seasoning, some Cajun seasoning, and then just a little salt if you want. And then after our gravy has thickened, we're going to add in our corn, our shrimp, and our mushrooms, and just have this on medium heat, because this is when our shrimp is going to cook all the way through the rest of the way. And that's it. And you're just going to take your biscuits and put your gravy on top and then eat it on up. And make sure you have extra bacon on the side when you cook your bacon so that you can put some crumbles on top with some green onions. This was so freaking good. It was so good, especially if you like seafood and you like shrimp and you like the red lobster biscuits, then you'll love this. But yeah, if you guys like this video, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.